Welcome to another Math Ninja Pro video.
In this video, we will learn how to find the size of unknown angles in right-angled triangles using the inverse trigonometric functions.
In this question, we are told that TU is 11 cm, right? And we are told that H lies on TU such that the length of TH is 120% of the length of HU. And the angle SHU is 90 degrees. So we are also told that the area of the triangle STH, which I'm going to mark out here, right? This triangle, the area is 21 cm squared. Okay, so what we need to find is to find the angle TSU, which is this angle right over here, which I'm going to mark out in red. Alright, so for this question, I think we can start by trying to find what is the length of TH and HU, as well as the length of SH. Okay, so to do that, we can let the length of HU be x cm first. Then we know that TH must be 120% of x, which is 1.2 times of x. And we know that TU, which is 11 cm, is made up of TH, which is 1.2x, plus HU, which is x. This would be equal to 11 cm. We can easily solve this because 1.2x plus 1x is simply 2.2x. This is equal to 11. So if you want to find x, you can simply just take 11 divided by 2.2. That would give you 5. So we know that HU is 5 units, right, or 5 cm. And we know that TH is 1.2 times of 5, or 11 minus 5, which is simply 6 cm. Okay, next, since we know that the area of the triangle STH, right, is equal to 21 cm squared, and we know that area of triangle is half times the base, which happens to be TH, which is 6 units, times the height, which is SH, equals to 21. This will allow us to very easily find SH by taking 21 divided by half divided by 6. That would give us 7 cm. So now we know that our length here is 6 cm, 5 cm, and the height is 7 cm. So if we want to find this angle over here, what we can do is we can start by first finding what is this angle TSH using the right angled triangle TSH to find, and then after that we add it to this other angle over here using the other right angle SHU. So that adding these two angles together will give us the size of our required angle. So let me do it over here. Alright, to find the angle TSH, which is this angle over here, right, I can see that I have the opposite side and I have the adjacent side. So I should use my tangent ratio. So let's have tangent of the angle TSH. This should be equal to opposite, which is 6, over adjacent, which is 7. So again, to find the angle TSH, what I need to do is I need to press my calculator in the degree mode, inverse tangent or second function tangent, right, 6 divided by 7, and I would have 40.601 degree. Right, so let's use the working answer first because later we will need to add it to another angle to find our final answer. So the next angle that we are looking at, alright, would be this angle over here, which is the angle HSU. again, we can see that we have the opposite side 5 as well as the adjacent side 7. We can use the tangent ratio. So tangent of the angle HSU would be equal to opposite 5 over adjacent 7. So the angle HSU, again, if we press the calculator, our answer is going to be 35.538 degrees. Again, that would be our working answer. So the angle that we want to find for this question is really angle TSU, which is the sum of these two angles that we have found. So angle TSU is simply equals to our 40.601 degrees added to our 35.538 degrees. So just press the calculator for these two and you will get 76.139 degrees. And for answers in angles, alright, we always round up to 1 dp.
Remember to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more Ninja level math videos.